Hey guys, today we're going to talk about retinol and 7 tips to avoid side effects. So let's jump right into it. So tip number 1 is hydration. You want to make sure you keep your skin well hydrated, and that means both some type of moisturizer you're going to use on your skin daily, but also making sure you're staying hydrated, drinking plenty of water. Number 2 is use the retinol at night. Retinol can really sensitize your skin to the sun. So if you're just starting out, you want to use retinol at night to minimize that potential side effect. Number 3, avoid combining retinols with other actives. So a common active we use would be vitamin C. Because retinol can sensitize your skin, you want to avoid it using with other topicals that are going to be doing something active like vitamin C. Make sure you're using sun protection. Retinols can sensitize your skin to the sun, so we definitely want to make sure we're wearing a sunblock, at least SPF 30, to protect your skin. Tip number 5 is to do what we call a patch test. So you want to test a small area before you do your whole face. So this test you don't even have to do on your face. It could be on your neck or even the inside of your forearm. You're just going to pick a small little area to apply. See how it looks 24 hours later. If you don't have any issues, then it's probably safe to use your retinol on your entire face. Tip number 6 is to make sure you use the right amount. So more is not better. In fact, the pea size is plenty of retinol to cover your whole face. Maybe you want to use half a pea size to do your neck as well. Applying more than that will really not get you any more benefit, but will increase the chances of side effects. The last tip, number 7, is to start off slow. So if you're just starting retinol, you want to begin using this once, twice a week to give your skin a chance to get used to the retinol. Over time, you can increase their frequency. And now, if you found that helpful, please like or subscribe. Check out one of these videos if you want to learn more about skincare. See you next time.